Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Aj. Happy Oktoberfest. I am so excited. I feel like everyone's always in their YouTube videos like, I'm so excited, but girl, I'm so excited. Your girl made a purchase. Okay, sometimes you're making a purchase. It's like, oh, I purchased this. No, honey, this is a purchase. I made a purchase. So in this video, we're going to be doing my MacBook unboxing. Y'all, this is my first ever MacBook. I was really like fighting. I was like, I don't need this. I can get, like, I used to have the computer that flipped back and like you could use a touchscreen. And I was like, until Apple gets a touchscreen feature on their computers, you won't be seeing me with one. And guess what they did? They got that touch bar and I was like, on the way. I didn't open it, it came. Y'all, you saw how long I was waiting for it. I was waiting on that thing at the door. So, literally at the door. So, I can't wait. I can't wait. Let's just do it. So it came in a heavy little box. It looks like this. But it comes in a box that looks like this. It is well packaged up. Maybe I need some scissors. Oh no, I don't. Honey, I'm strong, period. So it just comes and it says MacBook Pro. So here she is in all her little glory. Side. She ready. We're ready, okay? So I'm going to put it over here so y'all can hear the little Here she is in her box, all her little glory. Y'all, this box is tight. I'm like shaking it out. Okay, lid is off. It smells so new. I'm going to gently flop her out. Oh crap. And her charger box, little wall cords. But the main event, honey, the main event, the reason you came here. Here she is, smelling like factory. There's just sounds all over this thing. If you like that kind of thing, go right ahead for it, y'all. So here she is. I went with the space gray. Like there's this black owned case and device store, Chic Geek, and I think I'm gonna get a case off there. So maybe I won't have any stickers, but I make stickers. So it's kind of like, you're not gonna showcase your own talents here. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna incorporate both Chic Geek and my stickers. It'll get done. So let's open her up. Y'all, like, so clean. So clean. Going to open her up. There we are, and there's like a little, what is this? Oh, it's a little paper. She's already turning on. She knows I'm here. I've used Apple computers before, but I was just really hesitant. I didn't want it without a touchscreen feature because I love that so much. And I really thought on my old computers, oh, now it's just like doing setup stuff. I really thought on my old computers that I really needed to have
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, I thought I needed the touchscreen feature, and I really didn't end up using it on my computers that much, except for like signing in and doing different like little simple stuff. Drawing on whatever old kind of computer I had was just not easy, so don't recommend that. And I don't think you can draw here either, but I have an iPad now, so don't really need it for drawing anymore. The little touch bar turned on, which is icy. Ooh, welcome.
Right now it just says setting up iCloud. It's been doing this for a couple seconds. I think it's just like bringing my contacts over and such. I asked them not to put my pictures on here because I wanted to save all my space.
Hey Siri, open the documents folder. This is just like the old iPhone, y'all. How cute. Everything on my devices are dark mode, but dark mode looks, ooh, okay. True tone display. So I got so excited to show it to you guys that it didn't go over all the important like specs and details, and so I shall do that right now. And I also know I needed to buy Final Cut Pro, and so like the second it was on, it was like going on the internet, I was like, girl, Final Cut Pro? Huh? Come on, let's get it. I keep touching it because I'm so used to my iPhone. I keep like tapping stuff, which is gonna get old quick. If you're a student or work in education, make sure you get the education pricing. And I'm going to go over these specs. So I got a 13-inch MacBook Pro in space gray, and I'm gonna say what I think is important. I got 16 gigabytes of memory, which I thought was important because I knew I was gonna be editing. And I saw some videos of people getting like the 8, and I was like, 8 doesn't seem like enough. Out the gate, I was like, I don't think 8's gonna be enough for me. I'll have like 10 tabs open, or I'll be trying to edit 2-3 videos at once. B16, where I can do a lot more things at once, is a lot better for me. I got 512 gigabytes of storage because I knew that the like 246, 254, whatever that is, not gonna cut it. If I wasn't gonna get my phone in with that kind of memory, why would I get my computer that way? Because I know I'm gonna use this like so much more. 13-inch Retina display with True Tone, Intel IRS Plus graphics, 645. I don't know if any of these other things are important. I got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, touch bar, it has Touch ID. It has the backlit magic keyboard, which I forgot about. I forgot that happened. And whatever the accessory kit is, which I think is just like the charger and such. In total, with the 16 gigabytes of memory and the 512 gigabytes of storage with the education bundle package, it was $1,579, but New York State tax and all the stuff. So it was $1,711.24. So for me, I think about how many times I'm gonna end up buying something. In the past, I had computers that were like in the $300, $400 range, and they didn't work as well, they didn't run as well. Like there was a lot of things I would have changed about them. I'm not gonna be buying another computer for a while. It's quality over how much it costs for me. I'ma just go for it and figure it out. This was definitely an investment, and I was really happy to get this computer. So I can use my iPad literally every single day. So what this was gonna do for me, this was me like solidifying, like, girl, we're not just doing like a lot of this arts and creative stuff for fun anymore, but to get in our bag, period. Like this is an investment towards the business, towards the vision, towards what we're going for. And so if you can relate to that, we could be friends. But that was really important to me, to really invest in the business. And I have a lot of stuff that I've been planning on doing, but I was like, I really want the computer to solidify, like, girl, did I come to play? No. Are we serious? Yeah. We're gonna get this money? We're gonna get this little money? I don't know about y'all, whenever I order anything and it is a purchase, like I said, I leave a nice note for myself, and it might not be something like super cheesy or super like anything, but it's gonna be something motivational that I'm gonna be able to look back on, like, okay girl, you did that, you bought this, you made a purchase for a reason. Ha, stickers. Apple Watch, iPad, they all come with these stickers, but these are the first space gray ones I have, so that's exciting. Y'all, I cannot wait to customize this MacBook. I've been watching all these MacBook customization videos, and I'm like, girl, you should have known who you were talking to when you were talking about customization. You're talking to me now. You're talking to me, the customization queen, the Miss have her name on everything possible, Miss make it look like her in every situation. So I'm so excited to get to customize that, y'all. And I'm an artist, if you didn't know. I get my, girl, I get down a little bit, I do what I gotta do. And I'll insert some little artwork. Etsy shop, sticker shop, all those like prints coming soon. So if you'd like to see any of those things, please like, comment, subscribe. Or if you'd like to see me customize my MacBook, because that's coming next. I'm so excited, y'all. Shout out to all the other Audrews in the world. If I meet you, I'm not gonna be super excited because there can only be one. This gray is just stunning. Y'all, the gray is stunning, period. Period. Do I have Apple TV now? Does this come with Apple TV? Like, do not play with me. Don't play with me. I didn't think about that because there's definitely some shows that I wanted to watch. Yeah, I wanted to see Central Park so bad, but I was like, I'm not gonna get Apple TV because I'm not gonna do it. And now I'm gonna do it for myself. If you want to start a business and you want to invest in yourself and you really want to ball out and you want to make a purchase, you want to do it for the girl, I recommend it. I recommend this. I didn't really use it yet, so don't listen to me. Subscribe so you can come back for my like 2-week update or 1-week update, we'll see. But right now, like, I just feel so validated in this purchase. Like, this is making me feel like the whole business plan and all like the reading and the research and the designs that have happened thus far are worth it and like make sense and weren't just like for naught. Thank you for adding this touch bar because I literally said 1,000 times I'm not gonna get an Apple product until they have something touchscreen. And they know they could have touchscreen a long time ago, but this is still icy. I like it. I like it. Satisfied for the moment. And I cannot wait to customize it. So I'm definitely not like a tech guru kind of person. Some people like only like they're the people that like buy MacBooks just to review them and then it's like, oh yeah, I bought this MacBook. It was $17,000 and I'm just reviewing it for you. I'm not planning on using it. Girl, that's not me. I'm a regular person. At the gate, I have my plans for her, and if you'd like to see her really just like transform into the woman she's gonna be, the boss chick purchase, period. Like, this makes me feel like the bag must be gotten into. You gotta get it with this. If you like editing and food and tech stuff and natural hair, clearly, please subscribe to this channel. I will be back in a little while with my MacBook customization. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Oktoberfest.
Is your grandmother okay? I mean, she ain't moving. Yeah, watch this. Turn that back on, I was watching that. Yeah.
That's gonna leave a mark.